In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and store SOPs in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up clear, repeatable procedures so your team always knows what to do and where to find it. Let's start from your ClickUp dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see goals, tasks, and different spaces in your workspace. From here, we're going to create a central place for your standard operating procedures using ClickUp Docs. On your dashboard, look for the option that opens the Docs area. Depending on your layout, this may be a button or an icon in the sidebar or at the top. Go ahead and click on that highlight so you open the Docs section. Docs in ClickUp act like living documents, where you can write, format, and organize detailed procedures, and they stay connected to your tasks and folders. Next, click on the Doc option to create a new document. This will open a blank page or a template selector. For now, a blank page works perfectly. Think of this new doc as the home for one specific SOP. A good practice is to title the doc clearly, for example, Client Onboarding SOP or New Hire Setup SOP, so anyone can immediately understand what it's for. In the title area, type in your SOP name. Use clear, consistent naming so all your SOPs follow the same pattern. That makes them easier to search and organize later. Once your title is in place, move down into the body of the document and start typing out your procedure. Begin with a short overview that explains what the SOP covers, who it's for, and when it should be used. Then, break the process into logical sections and step-by-step instructions. In ClickUp Docs, you can format text with headings, numbered steps, and checklists, which makes complex procedures much easier to follow. As you type in these sections, focus on being specific and actionable so that someone new to the process could complete it without asking follow-up questions. When your main content is in place, click on the relevant formatting and options you see highlighted in the interface to refine the structure. You might adjust headings, add subheadings, or insert dividers to separate major phases of the process. If you plan to reuse this structure for other SOPs, you can turn this doc into a template so you don't have to start from scratch each time. Finally, continue typing in any extra details, such as required tools, links to related tasks, or reminder notes for review dates. Once saved, this doc can be stored in a dedicated folder or space for SOPs and easily linked to tasks, making your procedures both accessible and actionable inside ClickUp.